only one person. Okay, so the recording started. Okay, let's start it then. Okay.
Let's start.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, they'll cut this part, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hello, everyone. Oh, sorry, once again. Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Battle of Brain. And my name is Ananthu, and I got All India rank 23 in this GATE Chemical Engineering 2021. I gave this year, and I'm a final year student. And here I am with the Nimish. Nimish.
Yes, I am Nimish Wagale. I am from Maharashtra. My engineering education is from Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. Currently, I am also final year student, and I have secured All India rank 23 in GATE 2021 Chemical Engineering. Very nice to meet you, Ananthu.
Very to you too, and we both got same rank. And I'm from NAT Calicut,
Yes.
National Institute of Technology, Calicut. I forgot to tell you that.
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, so without the time delaying, let's go to the Battle of Brain. Before going to the Battle of Brain, let me make one thing clear. After the examination, I haven't gone through any materials or I haven't studied anything. So don't ask me any tough questions, okay? Because I forgot almost everything. I didn't revise it because the main thing, the thing that we must to do in the GATE examination is revision. But after that, I haven't gone through any division, so make your questions little easy. Okay.
I have heard your classes on Unacademy. You are taking classes on Unacademy.
I just started.
I have heard that.
Yeah, I started taking Unacademy in last 3 or 4 days. I was taking classes, and I was starting mechanical operation. So if you ask any questions from mechanical operation, I will answer that, no problem. But if you ask any other subjects, I didn't revise it well.
Yes, sir. You are taking very nice classes. I have listened all this many classes. I have listened all.
Thank you.
Yes.
So should I ask you first, or will you ask me?
You ask me first question.
Okay, then I'll ask you the first question. I have written it. Okay, I have made the question. Yeah, first question is from chemical reaction engineering. Is it your favorite subject also?
Yes, it is my favorite. Yes,
yeah, it's very easy subject. Basically, it's a very easy scoring subject. Okay. Yeah, what is the effect of activation energy? What is the effect of temperature in activation energy? Like whether it will increase, decrease, or, yeah.
I think according to me, activation energy haven't any effect of temperature. It is independent of temperature.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
That's why we are using Arrhenius law and all. It is independent of. Yeah. Now it's your turn, and keep that in mind. Easy question.
I will ask you a basic question from fluid mechanics.
Okay.
What is a Froude number? Froude number is a Froude number.
Froude number, yeah, Froude number. Froude number. It is a ratio between inertial force and gravitational force, which is inertial force divided by this one, gravitational force. You will get Froude number.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Yeah, thank you. And next question is, in fluid mechanics, what do you mean by fully developed flow? Fully developed flow.
I think this question was also in our GATE 2021 paper.
Yes.
Yes. According to fully developed fluid, where pressure gradient is constant, dp by dx is constant, and
velocity profile
is parabolic. Parabolic velocity.
Yes, correct. It was written the same statement in M Subu itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, now it's your turn.
As you have told, the mechanical operation is the favorite subject. Your favorite subject.
Yeah.
I will ask you a question from mechanical operation. What is the sphericity of the cube?
Sphericity of cube is 0.81, sphericity of cylinder is 0.87, and sphericity of sphere is 1. Because I have just taught that in yesterday's class only. So I remember that. For dodecahedron it's 0.932, and for tetrahedron it's 0.632. I remember all those values because I have just taught it yesterday only. So I usually don't. I usually don't remember these values. Whenever they ask you this question, I used to derive it. But after, because I have taken classes yesterday only, I remember the value. But it's very good to understand by heart these values for at least cylinder, sphere, and cube.
Yes. Yes.
Now, losses will be more in which flow? Two types of flow is there, right? Laminar flow and turbulent flow in fluid mechanics. So losses will be more in which flow?
Losses.
Yeah.
According to me, I think losses are the same. In a laminar flow, there is losses due to viscous effect, viscous losses in laminar. And in turbulent flow, there are eddies and many surface roughness. So I think losses are
I just
same
want
in
the
both
name
the flow.
eddy because the laminar flow, the main is due to viscosity, and in turbulent it is mainly due to eddy. Yeah, the also all are almost same only. Yes, correct answer. Yeah.
Okay, I will ask you a very simple question from a mass transfer. Have you learned steam distillation?
Yeah, steam distillation. I have. Yeah, steam distillation. Yes.
Yes. I will ask you, what is the boiling point of mixture in steam distillation?
Like boiling point. Oh, okay. In the range, like it will be less than 100 degrees Celsius. Like it will be less than the boiling point of water or boiling point of steam what we are using. Because I didn't know the steam distillation in the beginning. Then I covered almost 5 hours of lecture in different YouTube lectures for understanding this steam distillation. Now I'm a pro in this steam distillation. And now I know because it's very hard to think about it, right? Like how if the boiling point of benzene will be around 232 degrees Celsius, how will it boil below 100 degrees Celsius? It's a little bit tricky, right? Yeah. So
tricky concept. Yes.
Yeah, it's a tricky concept. So I studied little more to make the concept clear.
I think Manish sir have also taught this concept in very nicely on Unacademy.
Yes.
Manish sir have told this concept.
Okay, now let me. You asked me a master answer question. Now my turn in a master answer question. Distillation itself. In distillation, what is the main parameter that you're studying? Relative volatility. Can relative volatility less than 1?
Relative volatility. According to relativity, the definition is the ratio of more volatile to less volatile. But if we are writing relative volatility in terms of less volatile to ratio of less volatile to more volatile component, then their relative volatility can be less than 1. But if it is over dependent on how we are writing.
Correct.
Yes,
generally it will be greater than, but it can be less than 1 also. Yes, it's correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I will ask you a simple question. Have you heard infrared analyzer?
Yeah, infrared analyzer. Yeah.
Analyzer. Why we are using it in the lab? Why we are using it?
Composition. Because all and how I studied that was all analyzer, all equipment that ends with analyzer is used for detecting composition. We have so many analyzer, UV analyzer, IR analyzer, so many analyzer. All these analyzers are used for because so I have studied that analyzer word only. So any analyzer is used for composition detection.
Yes.
Yeah. And now, about absorption, mass transfer itself. In countercurrent gas absorption, what will happen if temperature is increased? If temperature is increased in countercurrent absorption, what will happen?
According to me, absorption is an exothermic reaction. If we are increasing the temperature by this early Chatterjee principle, the gas absorption will decrease.
Correct.
As it is gas absorption will decrease.
Correct only. Correct only. Yes. It decreases. Yes.
Are you remembering concept of chemical technology?
Chemical technology. Some important concept. Some very important concepts only I remember, but I almost forgot if you ask the catalyst of something or the operating condition. I don't know that.
I will ask a simple question. Triple superphosphate, which we are using as a fertilizer. What is the raw material for it?
Triple
Raw material
superphosphate.
for
Single
yes.
For say sulfuric acid, no, for triple it is phosphoric acid and single it is sulfuric acid. So you asked a triple phosphate, triple single phosphate, triple superphosphate, right?
Triple superphosphate.
Yeah,
yes.
for that we are using hydrochloric acid. Yeah, phosphoric acid, sorry, H3BO4.
Yes, phosphate. Okay,
For
yes.
single we are using a H2SO4.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah, about yeah, in heat transfer. It's a question from heat transfer from my side. Okay, in heat transfer,
yes.
why we are using what is the purpose of using Nusselt theory? Nusselt theory. You know about Nusselt theory?
Yes, I have solved the questions on it in some question papers.
Yeah. What is the purpose?
I think necessary is used to derive equation for condensation on vertical plate. Condensation type condensation on the vertical plate.
Yes, correct. It is used for film type condensation derivation. Yes, we are using for that. Yes.
Okay, let us talk more about your what is where have you taken MTech admission?
Yeah, about my future plan, because I usually started planning for PSUs only. That's why I prepare for GATE also. But the thing is, due to this pandemic and all, the all recruitments are withheld, right? So I didn't wait for that. Anyway, for the time being, I'm going for IIT Bombay, and I applied for it IIT Bombay. I hope I will get it. And the course which I applied for, it is not chemical engineering. It is a interdisciplinary course called IEO, Industrial Engineering Operation Research. It's kind of a managerial course. I hope you know that.
Yes, it is a very good branch. It is yes.
What about you?
I will also. Yes, I have also applied for IIT Bombay, and I have given first preference to chemical engineering. And next preference is for energy system. When many students are now telling me that, many teachers telling me that energy system is a better branch than chemical. So I will request all the students who are listening to this lecture, please ask teachers what to do, what to give first preference. Don't always think chemical engineering as MTech first preference. There are many good branches in IIT Bombay.
Yeah. That is one of the best advantages of GATE also. If you are getting a good rank, chemical engineering MTech is not only the hope. You have so many other branches also which you have more placement than chemical engineering. So even if you don't like chemical engineering also, if you study little hard chemical engineering, you can get another option also. Like managerial course or any energy sector or statistics is there, and process control system is there. So many courses are there which has more placements than chemical engineering. So you have a very great hope if you prepare for GATE. And if you get a if you are not getting a sufficient rank for getting into PSU also, you don't need to worry. You have a future ahead of you. There are so many other courses other than chemical engineering. And there are so many MS courses also there which will recruit directly through GATE, like NUS University in Singapore. It's the world's top three ranked universities of all over the world. They are recruiting directly through GATE. So there are so many other advantages of GATE also. So before you start preparation, get very well motivated. Then only you will.
Yes, it opens the door for many branches.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Let us. I will ask you the next question. Have you studied conduction in the slab? Yes.
Conduction. Yeah.
Yes. If and you know that temperature profile is linear if there is no heat source. If temperature profile is linear. But if I keep a heat source in the uniform heat source in a conduction slab, what will be temperature profile in it?
If you keep a heat source inside a temperature slab, what will be the temperature profile?
Yes.
Yeah, it will be parabolic.
Hyperbolic,
Yeah,
or
parabolic. I know that.
Sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I think you arrived one equation also day before or yesterday. I have seen your equation also.
Yeah, that's why I'm this much confident, because I just because some of the students asked me a doubt regarding uh, uh, this temperature profiles in slab without heat generation and with heat generation, and what will be the temperature profile in spherical system and cylindrical system. So I have taught them everything. So that's why I'm 100% confident. Slab without heat generation, it will be linear. With heat generation, it will be parabolic. In cylindrical, it will be logarithmic. In spherical, it will be hyperbolic. So all those things I have derived in the Unacademy class itself. And
Yes. Are you asking me the next question?
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. You know NPSH? NPSH?
Yeah, I think fluid mechanics.
Yeah, NPSH. What is the what is the NPSH? There is an equation, is there, right? You don't need to tell me the explanation. Just tell me the equation. How we are finding out the NPSH in terms of the stagnant pressure and
yes, I am remembering. NPSH of pump is the difference between stagnation pressure head at inlet of the pump to the vapor pressure head at that point.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. Yes. That topic I have very difficulty to understand, NPSH. So I was praying to God that please don't ask questions from NPSH in the actual GATE examination. So because I'm not at all confident in this NPSH numerical part.
Yes.
But it's very
Should I ask
important.
you? Yes, pump is very important topic. Okay. Should I ask you next question?
Yes.
What is the critical radius of sphere?
Critical radius
of sphere.
Yeah. It is 2 is there, k is there, h is there. 2h by k or 2k by h. Wait, one more second. 1 second. 2k by h.
2k by h.
2k by h. Yes. Just equating conductivity and convectivity, you will get that. I know it 2k by h or 2s by k. I just want to check the unit only. I know it's either 2h by k or 2k by h. I just want to check by unit. So yeah, it's 2k by h only, right? Am I correct? Yeah.
Yes, 2k by h is correct answer.
So this is the 8th question. Yeah. What is the difference between boiling and evaporation?
Boiling and evaporation. I think it is boiling and evaporation.
Whenever the
boiling,
teacher asks you this question, so many people don't answer. They know what is that, but they don't know how to explain this.
Because both are the same concept. Boiling is also same concept. Evaporation is also same. And according to me, boiling is the occur between a solid liquid surface. If we are keeping water in some pan, boiling is occur when there is a solid liquid surface, and evaporation is the phenomenon of liquid and vapor surface. Liquid evaporation is a liquid to vapor surface. A liquid to vapor phenomenon.
Yeah, to be more precise, this boiling is a bulk phenomena. Whenever we boil, the entire liquid boils. It will not be the surface only. Entire liquid boils. But in case of evaporation, only surface is evaporating. That's the difference. So boiling is a bulk phenomena, and evaporation, it's a surface phenomena. So that's the difference actually.
Yes. Okay, I will ask you the next question from also it is from chemical reaction engineering.
Okay.
Are you remembering equations of series reactions? Series reaction in that series reaction.
Series reaction, yeah, series reaction. Yes. Yesterday one guy asked me a doubt in that. Yeah.
Yes, if consider series reaction, A gives R and R gives Yes, series reaction. Rate constants are K1 and K2.
Okay.
It is performing in batch reactor.
Batch
Then
reactor.
what
Okay.
is the yes, the time at which maximum R will occur?
Oh, the time at which if it is
Maximum
whether
R.
K1 is equal to K2,
No, K1 is not equal to K2,
then
and
it will
both
be
are first order reaction.
then it will be 1 by K log mean, because yesterday one guy asked me aloud, like he everybody knows this equation 1 by K log mean. That is a time at which CR is CR maximum, but everybody will get a confusion when K1 is not equal to K1 is equal to K2. Yesterday one guy asked me the doubts, so I derived the entire thing and explained them, so I know it very well. If you are getting K1 equal to K2, we can't use this equation.
Yes.
That's why I asked you whether it is K1 or K1 and K2 are equal or not. If it is not equal, but it is 1 by K log mean. That is ln K2 by K1 divided by K2 minus K1.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah.
Yes, that is correct.
Yes. So yeah, ninth question. Right, ninth question, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
What is the comparison between LMTD and AMTD used in heat exchanger? Like which is higher, which is lower, logarithmic mean or arithmetic mean temperature difference?
Arithmetic or level of gate.
Which is greater, which is smaller?
Actually, I haven't seen a derivation. Same. I think both are equal or both are equal. I'm not remembering now. What is comparison between them? I'm not remembering.
But let me tell you a trick for doing all these questions. If you don't know how whether which one is greater, which one is smaller, just assume two values. The second temperature is 4 and first temperature is 3, then second temperature is 7. Just find out the logarithmic difference and arithmetic mean difference. If you are getting which value is higher, just do in the actual examination. We can do like that. It's a small trick.
Yes, it is. Yes, so yes, I will. What is the answer? What is the answer of it?
Its answer is arithmetic mean temperature difference is greater than LMTD.
Oh.
Yes, when you are doing that, you will get.
It will help me in. Yes. Okay, I will ask you next question. I will ask you question from thermodynamics now.
Thermodynamics.
If work is done by the yes, work is done by the system, how to calculate a work output?
Like
how to calculate work output?
Like what do you mean by workout? Means you want the equation? What like what?
In terms of efficiency, should we multiply by efficiency?
Okay. Efficiency. Work is done by the system.
Yes.
Work is done by
work
the
is
system.
Done by
so efficiency, in order to get the actual, we have efficiency. So in order to get the actual workout, you should be multiply or divided with the efficiency. That's why what you are asking, right?
Yes, that is the question.
Okay. If the work is done by the system, maximum work is done by the system. Maximum work is done. Should we multiply? Should we have to multiply it with the multiply it with it.
Yes, that is the correct. You want to multiply it by.
Yes. Yes, thank you. Thermodynamics is very tough subject for me. I almost took 1 complete month for completing that subject. It's very tough for me. Yeah, even in college life also, I felt really difficult in studying that subject.
Me too. Same here. Yes.
I think most of the people are finding difficulty in this thermodynamics. And one interesting fact is that when I was in college, I felt more difficulty in solution thermodynamics than classical thermodynamics. But when I do the GATE preparation, I found out that solution thermodynamics is nothing compared to classical. Classical is very tough. Actually, solution is very easy. But in our college, I felt just the opposite.
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah. Now it's my question, right? Or it's your question?
Yeah, your turn.
Okay. Yeah, it's a little lengthy question. Okay. A steam is passing through pipe at 100 degrees Celsius. A steam is passing through pipe at 100 degrees Celsius. An insulated rigid tank is connected to pipe and steam is collected in it. Okay, just write it down
Yes.
if you haven't did notification. A steam is passing through at 100 degrees Celsius, and it is a rigid tank is connected to that pipe, and same steam is connected in it. So, what will be the temperature of steam in the tank? Like it will be greater than 100 degrees Celsius or less than 100 degrees Celsius or equal to 100 degrees Celsius, and tell me the answer and why it will be like that. Did you understand the question?
Yes, one steam is flowing through the pipe. We are connecting one insulated tank to it, and we are collecting steam in it.
Yeah.
What is the temperature of that steam?
Yes.
Than 100.
Yeah.
I think it is a problem of unsteady state equation.
Yes.
Initially, there is flow in the pipe, flow of steam in the pipe.
Yeah.
And if we are connecting it and we are storing steam in the tank, as it's initially there is velocity and finally there is no velocity, there is no flow. So I think this flow energy will convert it to internal energy.
Yes.
And finally the temperature of as internal energy, temperature of steam will increase.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah. Yes. Temperature will be more than 100.
Correct. Correct. Yeah. So that was my last question to you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should I ask you last question? 10 questions.
Okay.
Yes. Have you studied for autocatalytic reaction?
Yeah, autocatalytic reaction. Yes. This. Yeah.
Yes.
Parabolic.
I will ask you. There is one question on this autocatalytic reaction. Which is the best reactor arrangement? In a CSTR and PFR, which is the best reactor arrangement in autocatalytic reaction? Means which should be first and which should be later?
You're asking me how we should arrange. We have PFR and MFR. How we should arrive it? How should we arrange it?
Yes.
If it is a autocatalytic reaction. MFR is used when I knew that it's there in that book, Ram Prasad book, but sorry, I don't remember it.
Yes. Do you remember in this graph 1 by Aryabhata's convergence? Parabola, inverted parabola.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, 1 by R. Yeah. So yeah.
Inverted parabola.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry.
For first 50% conversion, we should use CSTR or MFR, and for further conversion, we should use MFR or PFR.
Yes. Correct only. Yes.
I think 10 questions are completed, I think.
Yeah, yes. And there is like no winner like this because we gave the actual examination, we both got the same score. So it's nothing compared to winning and all. It's for the people, like you understood, right? Even the toppers also are lagging behind if they are not doing proper revision. So those who are watching it, keep that in mind. Revision. That is the most important thing, because we almost scored almost 80% of the mark of in TOT and actual examination. Still, we are finding confusion when they are asking question. That's because of we are not revising. So do the revision, prepare well. And Nimish,
yes. Revision is important, as there are many interviews of many PSUs like ONGC, IOCL will be upcoming some upcoming months. So revision is the most important. And I think for those who are preparing for GATE 2022 or 23, I will suggest them that there is one batch starting from 26th May. At 26th May, one batch starting and the subject is mechanical operation. Very basic subject, but very important in a GATE point of view. I repeat myself. There is one batch started from 26th May, which is the starting by Ankur Bansal sir, which is taking mechanical operation subject.
Okay. I have attended his classes.
I am also listening lectures of them, Ankur Bansal sir.
A king of master answer.
Yes. Yes. Am I audible clearly? Yes.
Yes,
Connection
you are
problem.
audible. Yeah.
Yes. And also, I will very thankful for this Unacademy, because I will also like to tell the students one thing. Last year, means when I was preparing in last May month, when I was studying chemical technology subject, it is totally a theory subject, and I was totally bored. I was searching much more things on chemical technology. Is there anything on YouTube or anywhere? But at that time there was nothing on YouTube or anywhere. But now I think Sumit sir is taking classes on YouTube. Sumit sir from Unacademy taking classes on YouTube. A very nice lecture of chemical technology.
Yes.
I am also
The
listening
main
them.
thing is you will not get bored. I was amazed. I didn't get bored while listening to his class because his energy was that level.
Sumit sir is next level chemical technology. Very nice session. Now I am also listening to prepare for ONGC IOCL. Now I am also listening their lectures of chemical technology. It's a very nice session by Sumit sir, and also Consult sir starting batch on 26th May. I will also suggest students best batch on for starting from 26th. Those who are preparing for GATE 2022 or 23, they should start join them. What you all would like to say?
The thing is, I just want to make you one thing clear, because so many people were calling me all these days for asking doubts and all. So one thing I had to make you clear is that the actual examination is going to be very competitive, because in this corona situation, most of the colleges doesn't have core company placement, that is chemical placement. So all the juniors or all the people are preparing for GATE only. So the competition almost became 4 or 5 times than last year. So if you are not getting a proper coaching or proper guidance, it will be very difficult. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you're not doing any coaching, you are competing with the people who are under the guidance of these much great faculties. So do keep that in mind, and keep your work really hard. Even if you're not doing coaching also, if you're doing coaching also, work hard and do the revision, and don't take GATE preparation as a side part along with your college semester. Teach GATE as your primary aim, and study for that, aim for the GATE. And competition has become too tough, due to this corona situation. So keep that in mind.
Yes, and next very important thing I will like to suggest is there are many test series on for chemical engineering on
Sorry,
academic.
Nimin, you are not,
Students
Nimish,
who are giving test
the
test series.
audio was blurred. Yeah, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Yeah.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, fine.
I will like to suggest students that there is test series on Unacademy. Many tests, upcoming tests are going on. So I will suggest students to give that test series. Test series is very important, and very best quality test series available on Unacademy. Designed by Manish sir, Sumit sir, Ankur Bansal sir, and all best faculty. I will suggest students give that test series.
Yes.
That's what I want.
Because
Yes.
nowadays GATE is asking more over numerical questions. So the two things that you need for solving numerical questions is you need to be fast and you need to be precise. Two things are to be two things to be is needed, and that two things you will only get by practice only. So do practice, practice, and they have almost made more than thousands of questions for you guys only, and it's completely free in Unacademy. Do attend that section. It's for you guys, and respect their effort. Respect their effort, the faculty's effort. That's all I want to say.
Yes. Okay,
So
that's why all.
yeah, can we conclude this section now?
Yes, I will like to explain one last point. Many
Okay.
students are thinking about money, that there's too much subscription fee on this many platforms on Unacademy also. I would like to suggest them that if you are investing 30 or 40,000 now, then a PSU, much more benefit you will get after that. Means once you get selected in PSU, there is much more salary, more than 1 lakh salary per month. So there are much more,
more technical term,
benefits
return on investment is very high in terms of
Yes.
plan design and
return
economics.
is,
Return in
Yes,
investment is very high.
yes, that's why thinking about this 1 or 2 months Unacademy subscription is very less amount you want to pay. There's no, yes, that's why I
And
would like to.
one advantage also, an advantage of Unacademy is that you can choose your faculty. In any other coaching, you will not get that chance, because Ankur sir is taking mass transfer, mechanical operation, process dynamics and control. The same time, Mani sir is also taking the same subject. So if you're finding some difficulty in understanding Ankur sir's class, or some specific topic you didn't understand Ankur sir's class, you can attend that section in Manish sir's class, or else so many other faculties are also taking the same section. So that is the main advantage also. If you are not feeling comfortable with one faculty, you can go with the other faculty. So that option you will not get in any other coaching. So that is why Unacademy is unique also. They are giving you wide varieties of choice, and some toppers like us are also there in Unacademy. You can ask any doubts. Means we are not, our teaching is not that level, but still your doubts can we can clear your doubts. Any doubts you can ask, every doubt you can ask, you can ask me, or you can ask the rank toppers team or any faculties. We can tell you the correct answer. That is the main advantages of Unacademy.
Yes, that's correct.
So yeah,
Okay,
so that's about it. Do you have anything else to say, Nimish?
No, very nice talk with you.
Yeah, too.
Very nice
Thank
talk
you,
with you.
Nimish. Yeah, it was very nice to meeting you. And
Yes,
I hope those who are watching this section enjoyed this. And if you have any doubts regarding Unacademy or anything, you can do it, comment in the section. So that's about it. So thank you. Bye.
I think joining the link is in the description. Unacademy joining a new batch, and more information is in the description of this video.
Okay, yeah. So you can,
Yes.
yeah, it will be there in the bottom side. You can do that. So thank you.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Okay,
Nimish.
bye.
Bye.